Hi friends, my name is Brian Marth and I am the Associate Provost for Academic Services at Columbia College, Chicago. We are really excited to introduce the new Student Information System and the new MyColumbia page. This implementation is a phased process and we will continue to roll out new features over the next few months. The complete rollout will include a new mobile-friendly dashboard, an interactive degree planning tool, and a new degree audit system. For right now, however, we are focused on the launch of what is called self-service in the new system. Self-service is where you will be able to view your financial aid information, and it is also where you will plan your fall 2025 schedule and register for classes. In this video, I will share a brief overview of how you can access self-service, how to plan your classes for fall 2025, and then register for those classes. Once you go to registration in your MyColumbia account, you may be prompted to log in again on this screen. To log in on this page, your username is the first part of your Columbia issued email address. For me, I would enter bmarth because my email address is bmarth@colum.edu. Eventually, the self-service screen will include your grades, graduation audit, other transaction options, but for this video, we will focus on the links to access the course catalog, where you will plan your courses and then register for the fall semester. It is important to remember in this system, students need to create a plan and then they will register from that plan. So the 3 steps to successfully build the schedule is 1, prepare to register, 2, plan your schedule, and 3, register from that plan. Once you are in the course catalog, you should make sure that you select Fall 25 for your semester. Using this advanced search, you will be able to find courses by the course number, by the subject area, as well as by day and time and by instructor name. Once you find the classes that you hope to take, you will add those to your plan by hitting the Add button next to the course. I have created an 18 credit plan for this student. I can view those credits in a list, or I can also see what they look like in a calendar view. When it's time for me to register for classes, I will be able to register one class at a time over on the left, or on the top right, I can hit Register Now. The student is now successfully registered for 18 credits, and I can view this at the top of the screen. If the student decided to drop one of their classes, they will see this screen and then they will have the option to select the class they wish to drop and hit the Update button. That class has been dropped, remains on the student's plan, but you can see they are no longer enrolled in those credits. Remember, you can continue to switch back and forth between this calendar view and the list view. This is where the student would see their successful schedule. I hope this was a helpful introduction to the new self-service section of the new MyColumbia, and we will continue to put videos and other materials on the new MyColumbia FAQ website at students.colum.edu, the new MyColumbia. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.